local fresh produce market. We're in Nha Trang in Vietnam, and we're actually on a cooking and food tour. When I say cooking, we're going home with our guide very soon, and he's actually going to cook us a 3-course lunch. Of course, we need our ingredients first, so where better to get it from than where the Vietnamese get their food from, here at the local market.
What I love is seeing the real people gathering their stuff, the fish, the fresh fish. It's a great, authentic, real experience.
It's absolutely mental. It's mental in the market. There's so much going on. There's people yelling and shouting and chopping up fish and looking after all sorts of things in cages. But out here on the street, immediately outside the market, it's also crazy as well.
I love the variety actually, and seeing all the different styles of fruit and veg especially that they have here. There's a lot of stuff here that I haven't seen in Australia.
We're going to find noodles.
I mean, everything is raw. It's what you see is what you get. And particularly the fish and chicken I've never seen the likes of. This sort of weather is good for your skin. I'll look 5 years younger tomorrow.
Home of our guide. He has brought us to his home where he has a cooking school set up in his garden. So we're now about to put everything together that we've bought this morning, and we're about to make a 3-course lunch. We're out here in the back streets of Vietnam. I don't actually really know where we are, somewhere in Nha Trang, but we're about to go cooking.
Well, what an amazing day, because what I expected was that we would be spending 4 hours in a kitchen inside, and instead we explored the local markets. We went and saw how the women weaved the tablecloths together and the placemats, and then we had a lovely afternoon outside.
But it's a very real experience.